Imagine a future where the blue skies of Earth grow darker with uncertainty. Climate change, environmental degradation, and social unrest cast growing shadows over our home. In this unfolding drama of survival, a question haunts dreamers and experts alike. By the year 2050, will humanity's leap to colonize other planets be our lifeline, or just a fantasy born in the pages of science fiction? Our story begins with visionaries like Elon Musk, who see the future of humanity not limited to a single fragile world. Musk envisions a multi-planetary civilization that could survive disasters on Earth by spreading life to Mars and beyond. This dream, though bold, is backed by decades of painstaking experiments and breakthroughs turning sci-fi dreams into testable realities. Long before humans step foot on another planet, robotic explorers like NASA's Mars rovers, Spirit, Opportunity, Curiosity, and Perseverance have paved the way. These robotic pioneers have mapped Mars' surface, discovered frozen water ice beneath its soil, and analyzed its atmosphere. These early experiments reveal resources we could one day use to breathe, grow food, and even fuel rockets on Mars itself. Scientists are now perfecting In-Situ Resource Utilization, or ISRU, technologies, methods to make rocket fuel and oxygen from the very air and ice of Mars. SpaceX's plan to use the Sabatier reaction, turning Martian carbon dioxide and water into methane and oxygen, could be the cornerstone of human self-sufficiency on the Red Planet. Meanwhile, breakthrough reusable rockets like SpaceX's Starship promise to make frequent, cost-effective travel to Mars possible. Starship's experimental flights and successful landings are key steps toward launching uncrewed cargo missions that will ferry habitats, life support systems, greenhouses, and machinery well ahead of any human arrival. These cargo missions represent the crucial early moves to build a foothold on Mars without risking lives. On Earth, isolation experiments simulate living in confined habitats to study human psychology and test life support systems, learning how to sustain life over months or years under harsh conditions, away from Earth's nurturing environment. Scientists and engineers also work on shielding habitats from cosmic radiation and growing crops in enclosed spaces. Yet for every breakthrough, skeptics warn us not to be seduced by utopian visions. Astrophysicists like Lord Martin Rees remind us how hostile planets like Mars truly are, battered by radiation, frozen, and lacking breathable atmospheres. Restoring Earth's environment may be more feasible and urgent than challenging these inhospitable worlds. Neil deGrasse Tyson points out that terraforming an alien planet may be orders of magnitude harder than healing our own. And beyond technology, colonization raises ethical dilemmas. Who will get to go if Earth becomes unlivable? Could space become a haven only for the privileged, deepening global inequalities? So at this crossroads, as 2050 looms, humanity stands between two paths. One leading toward the cosmic dawn of thriving space colonies shaped by relentless experiments and human ingenuity. The other cautioning us to heal our home before chasing stars. Is colonization a necessary strategy for survival, or a sci-fi delusion? Perhaps it is both. A journey already underway, shaping our understanding of what it means to be human in the vast universe.